In this video I will show you guys how can you make a coffee at any Magnifica coffee machine. So first up, you will need a cup like this and put it right here. And for now, as you can see right here, you have multiple stickers. First up, make sure that you have coffee in this container right here. Just a second, right here. And after that, you'll just need to make sure that you have water right here, as you can see. After that, let's say that you want to drink espresso. I personally drink double espresso. So first up, if you want to drink double espresso, you need to make sure that you will press this X2 button right here, and after that you will just need to press espresso, and that's it. Right now the coffee is making. Alright, so right now my coffee is ready. Let's say that you will want to make a coffee. You will just need to press right here on this coffee button, as you can see, and you are good to go. If you want to drink an Americano, please you need to press this Americano button, and that's it. I have a Magnifica Start, so this can be available on all Magnifica coffee machines. So that's it, guys. Well, I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.